What's up, YouTube? Fuel Up 727 back at you guys with another video. So it's another Camaro video, and so the car, we're going to be doing stuff to the coil springs in the front of it. The reason being is my shocks are blown, no longer good, no longer holding the car up to where it should be sitting, so it's sagging, and the springs are probably worn out too. But this car, at the moment, I don't have it in the budget to get new springs or shock absorbers. Excuse me for the tongue twisters there. But I still want it raised back to where it was, or at least close to it. So, went ahead and bought these. They are front rubber coil spring boosters. So, see there, and it is for 1 inch to 1.5 inches, and as you can tell, you put them in between each coil on the spring. So we're going to be doing that. Hopefully it lifts it up to where the exhaust doesn't scrape anymore on the ground whenever it goes over bumps, and that's pretty much all I'm doing this for. So let's get to it. I already got the car jacked up. I'm going to open this, and then I'll try to install it. Alright, so we're going to try the inch setting, and I have, what is that, 180 out? No, not 180. Yeah, 180 across from each other. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and then I'm going to let it sit on the ground and see if we need that. I also wanted to show you guys, so the instructions, other than just replacing them, so laying it like that's 1 inch, and laying it like that is 1.5 inches. So we're just going to try the inch, see how that is, and it should stiffen up the suspension a little bit because you are creating a solid point in the spring. So we're going to see if that works. I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on, and I'll come back and show you guys the lowered stance. Alright, I got it in this side. Oh, can you see the spring? Yeah, you can. There's the 2 blocks. So now let's lower it. Alright, got it lowered. Yeah. It raised it up. So we're good to go. So let me show you what it looks like with it sitting. Yeah, they're just stuck in there now. So, yeah, as you can tell, I didn't have that much clearance for exhaust. And probably with spring replacements and strut replacements, it would be sitting about this height anyway. So, yeah. That's how to fix a suspension the cheap way. Cheap way is always the most convenient way. So that's it for this video. Just a little quick video on the car and just stuff I've had those blocks for at least a month now. So it's good to finally be able to get that done. It was one of the things I needed to do to get the car on a trailer so the exhaust wouldn't rub when it was going to be hauled out for racing, but never made it out because of an issue that I said in the previous video. But yeah, I'm going to give this car a bath and put her away, make sure either drain the water system, the cooling system, or add more coolant to it so it won't freeze over the winter. But I mean, just look at it. Now, if you haven't seen my previous videos about the paint job, it looks nice. So I'm gonna wash it, see if it looks a little better. But yeah, super clean, and it runs pretty good now. So that's gonna be it for this video. You don't have to worry about, you know, what people say, oh, that's not the right way. As long as it gets you by until you can afford to do it the right way. That's what I'm doing. So just, haters are gonna hate. Just shake it off. Okay? Anywho, that'll be it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. I'm all ears. See you guys next time.